intersection. There's the famous Colin, the main and oldest street in Cebu. This one a week ago or even the other day was all flooded. Probably like 4 feet of flooding. Lots of places to fix, repair. Here's some of these. A market, the famous Filipino looks like macaroni salad. Oh, it is? Bean sprout. Wow, look how big their avocados are. Very big. A lot of bananas here. We've arrived at SM Bayside, largest mall in Cebu City, third largest in the whole country, but by land size, this is the largest in all of Philippines. And it just opened not that long ago, and it is quite impressive already. Supposedly like many football fields size mall. It has arcades, it has everything. And if it was like yesterday's Alia, it will be lost for sure. Look at it. Impressive, man. Everyone's here. Being followed by scooters, golf carts, and a choo-choo train. Free taste. What is it? Mango. This is endless, this place. Here we are, the sea view, sky view. How do you go outside? Humidity. This is Cebu, this is the city mall, and we're going to the Southwest Station.